Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow Kit. So we're out on the veg patch again today. It's been a glorious day. It's about 5:30 now, so the sun's just starting to go behind the trees, so there's a bit of shade. It's been absolutely scorching today. It's been about 24, 25. So I thought today I thought I'd get the pumpkins planted out. I've got one here to show you. These are Big Macs. That's the variety. The other one's over there. So I've only got 2 of these, so I'm hoping that the slugs don't decide to eat them like they did last year. We haven't had any slugs really this year. A few obviously, but not loads. I think because it's been so dry and hot, they haven't come out yet. So hopefully if I can get these in and they can get a bit established before the slugs come along, we should be okay. So I've got a bag of organic farmyard manure, and I've got the 2 pumpkin plants. So I'm going to put them over in the back over there somewhere. It doesn't get shaded over there until about 5 o'clock, so majority of the day it's in the sun, but it gets a bit of evening shade, so I'm hoping they'll like it over there. So I'll get the camera set up and we'll get cracking. Right, so this is one of the pumpkins. I just thought I'd show you this a bit better before we get started. So these are seed grown. Big Macs is the variety. The seeds are from Lidl's, I think. I say this is about the best pumpkin seedling I've seen so far that I've grown. So they're doing well in the pots at the moment. There's the other one. So they do grow really fast and they get quite big quite quickly. So you'll need to get them out soon. So I'm going to mix some of this into the soil in the hole. This is organic blend farmyard manure, 100% natural and organic apparently. So I'll take you over here. So I know they take up a lot of room, so I thought I'd put just the 2 plants in this square here. And I'm going to mix in a load of manure first and put them in here and just let them do their thing. If they want to go and sprawl along the back there, you know, doesn't really matter. I can even let them go on the path. So anyway, I'll get the camera set up, guys, and we'll make a start. I'll show you how I'm going to do this. Okay guys, so first things first, I'm going to put a couple of inches of the manure on the surface of here and just give it a quick mix in with the little rotivator tool. And then I'm going to dig 2 big holes for the pumpkins and we're going to get them planted up. So I'll get the manure on first, and then we'll plant the pumpkins up. Okay guys, so that's that bed manured. So now I'm just giving it a water because it's very dry. It's just like dust. So giving it a good old soak before I plant these pumpkins. So it's normally a good idea to make sure it's not all dry and dusty, and just give the ground the water before you plant, and then you don't have to worry too much afterwards. Obviously you still water them in, but right, so that should do. So now I'm just going to dig the 2 holes for the pumpkins and get them planted. Okay, so I'm gonna do them more towards the back here, just so that if they do go crazy, they can go off along the back here and not along the path. So So originally this was a no-dig bed. As you can see, it's still very dry under there. But this ground's getting better. It was pure clay when we moved in. Okay, so one in there. And the other one about a metre apart. Okay, so that should do it. Get the other one in about there. Right, so fun bit's try and get these out of the pot now. I'll take the tag out. We'll need that again in a minute. So I've not long potted them into these pots, and only about a week ago, and the roots have already come down, so it's quite wet actually, the bottom of that. So we have to ease up on the water in these, I think. So I just plop them in and then fill in the hole. And just fan it down gently around it. And hope that it doesn't get eaten by anything. Oh, take them out of the pot first. You know, there's no point in burying a pot. Yeah, I've been watering these too much, but they don't seem to mind too much, so I'll just ease up on the water in a little bit next few days. So this ground's quite, even though the top couple of inches is bone dry, underneath is quite nice and moist, so I'll water them in and then I'll leave them alone for 2 or 3 days at least. Okay, so I've just got to level off all this again, break up any massive clumps of clay. Try and get some of the manure around these. Chuck something around with the sunflowers as well. Right, so that's the pumpkins in. I'll just put the labels back. So these are Big Macs. And pop them in. and then I'll water this whole thing again and level it off a bit more, and that's pumpkins done. So I hope you can hear me. As I said, I haven't got a microphone at the moment, so we're on the phone's camera microphone, so it should be pretty good, but apologies if I'm a bit quiet. Anyway, so I'll get this watered, get it leveled off, and I'll get back to you in a sec. Okay guys, so that's the pumpkins in. Got 2 of them in here, 2 big maxes. So I've got the row of sunflowers down there, all the onions and garlic over there. I've left these 3 onion here because they're going to seed, so I'm going to try and save some seeds from them. So we'll see how these go. I'll keep you updated on them. So that's it for this episode, guys. So thanks a lot for watching. If you haven't done so, if you could subscribe to me, that would be absolutely brilliant. No pressure, you don't have to. If you've got any questions, leave a comment. Or if you've got any advice for me, anything you don't know about, anything I might not have, you know, if you've seen me do anything wrong, just let me know. Until next time, guys, I hope you have a great weekend, what's left of it, and I hope you're all coping well. I will see you next time, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. See you later.